3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caroline. Happy birthday to you. Go.
You do that?
Look, Callie.
Don't help her, okay?
Okay. Good girl. Do it again.
Do it again.
Yay! You did it. Good job, big girl. Yay!
He's
Great.
already reaching in.
Here's your birthday cake.
He's already